Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today the topic was sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon from Understanding Quadrilaterals from 8th class NCERT. Now before going into the know about the topic, first of all we have to know exterior angles of a polygon. Polygon is nothing but made up of more than two line segments. It may be a triangle or a quadrilateral or a pentagon or a hexagon, etc, etc, etc. But we have to find here sum of the measure of the exterior angles. It is nothing but exterior angles. First of all, here exterior angle and interior angles are two types, because of this is interior and this was outer part of the polygon is called exterior. So it makes some angle in its interior, it called interior angle. If it makes an exterior, it is a exterior angle. So now sum of measures of all exterior angles of a polygon is, we have to prove is, that was 360 degrees. We have to prove it. Just like take a polygon. I am taking a pentagon here. So just I am giving a simple example. I am standing here facing towards, it is assume it as a east, this was the west, this was the south, and this was the north. Okay, I am facing towards east. If I run, if I walk for some distance and came back, I stopped here, let it be point B, this point was A, started point, then I am facing towards east, right? So I am moving from some angles toward northeast. Okay, so I am taking some angle because of I am moving like northeast side. So it makes some angle. So I am moving like this and continuously towards northeast. If I came back, let it be point as C. If again I can make it as a some angle and I turn into north side. Okay, same procedure, let it be point D. Then I came into my original position like A, like this. If it is an angle, here it also some angle. So here we get four angles. One, here it is, we have 1 2 3 4 4 sides and 4 angles. It is also be a quadrilateral, it is also said to be a polygon. So sum of exterior angles, how much we have to find is 360 degrees, because of the theorem states the sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon is must be equal to 360. We have to prove that. This is the quadrilateral. So now the sum of angles, let it be this was angle A and this was angle B and this was angle C and this was finally angle D. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. So this is the theorem. But how we are proving this? I am going to prove with the help of cardboard. Then you may get the 100% chance of understanding about this theorem. Okay, let's move to the cardboard. I am taking a cardboard here, drawing some quadrilateral with the help of scale. Same if you take a pentagon or a hexagon, whatever the, so I am taking similar image to this. So this was next. This was the C, this was the D, B, and making some angle. Here also same like that. This was the point D, making some angle, that was angle C. This was angle B, and connecting starting point also, this was A, and this was angle A and this was angle D. Now I am going to cut these exterior angles, then I will form these three angles like this, like a circle or at a point, then we get the 360 angles about the theorem. So let's move into there. See here, this was our cardboard diagram according to this. Now I am going to cut the angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D separately like this. This was angle A and this was angle B and this was angle C and this was angle D. Now I am going to add the all angles at a time. Now let's take a simple point for our easier confirmation. Now I am adding those angles. This was angle A. Next angle B was this. And angle C. And finally angle D. This was simple, right? See here, at a point we get, at a point we have 360 degrees around a point. So here that point shows you here 360 degrees. So here the theorem was sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 is to be proven. I think you may understand about this. Let's move into the question regarding this exterior angles of a polygon. This was the example. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees. Here, exterior angle each of a polygon is 45 degrees. Then we have to find the number of sides. So let it be, for example, it is an n-sided polygon. Its exterior is 45 degrees angle. So we have to find number of sides. So we already know about the sum of exterior angles must be equal to 360 degrees. Then we have to apply the formula to this question. Then we get answer easily. Let's move into the question. Here write down step by step. So a regular polygon has its exterior angle is equal to the 45 degrees. But we know total measure of sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So we have to find number of sides. So now n equal to sum of exterior angles divided by each exterior angle. So sum of exterior angles nothing but 360 degrees in a polygon. So each exterior angle is given, that is 45 degrees. So here it cancelled by 5, both numerator and denominator. So 5 9s are 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are. Here 9 1s are 9 8s are. So this was in 8 sides. So the polygon with 8 sides has its exterior angles each is 45 degrees, that is nothing but octagon. This was the answer. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.